everyone, let me show you a quick way to add your own sound or song to TikTok and then use it to create your video. All you have to do is you have to record your screen with that sound playing on your iPhone or your Android device. Now for iPhone it's very easy because if you just come down here, there's a screen recording option right over here that records the sound too. But if you don't have that option, you'll have to get a screen recording app. This is the one I use on my Android to make all my Android videos. It's pretty good here. So I'll put that in the description if you want to get this and open this up. And then you could go ahead and do your screen recording using this option over here. Then you need to pull up your favorite song. When you have your screen recorder ready, pull up your favorite song. I created mine here with a template in GarageBand, which is a free app on the iPhone with all kinds of beats and stuff. This is the template here. And you could press play. I just have it on mute right now. Or you could look up copyright free music and then use songs like that. And then it could become your own. So all you have to do is you basically need to record your screen. So bring it down from the top corner and record the screen. It's going to give you a quick countdown. And now the screen is recording. So if I go out of here and go back to GarageBand, with the screen recording, I could press play and it's going to record that song here. And the screen too, but right now I only care about the sound. Okay, now I'm gonna just go ahead and stop this from playing. I could go ahead and open it up as well. I like to just kind of edit this so it actually just has the portion where I'm playing the song. So I'm gonna just go ahead and edit this just like that, press done and save it as a video here. And it's gonna have the song without me kind of saying the things in the beginning and the end. Now let's go to TikTok here. We have our song ready. I'm gonna go ahead and open up TikTok now. And all you have to do is press the plus sign to post it. I'll just post it on a different account here. With the plus sign, you'll choose this option, upload. Grab your screen recording here. This is the one I want. Press next. This is the song I recorded right from GarageBand. Press next. I'm not gonna do anything here. I'll just go ahead and press next. And then I'm gonna actually change this to only me. I'm gonna make this private and I'll still be able to use it. If you have any options that don't let you do that though, just make sure you select friends here so you could actually use it. So it's gonna be right here. I'm gonna press on it right here. And all I need to do is click on this right here and it's gonna bring me to this page and I could say add to favorite. So I could use this song or add to favorite. If I add it to favorite, it's gonna be under my favorite tab, or I could press use this song. Now the song is playing, original song, right? It's playing right now, and then I could record a video to it. And just like that, you have your own song or sound on TikTok. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.